Welcome and welcome back. And today we will explore the importance of trusting your inner guide in your healing journey. And if past traumas have left you feeling anxious about your body and movement, and let's dive into a somatic practice that helps you reconnect and trust your body's inner wisdom and while embracing a joy. And let's have a seat on the chair or on the floor, wherever you feel more comfortable. And once you sit down, and please close your eyes, and you can just tune into your body and while listening to my guidance. So please close your eyes and slowly bring your attention into your body in this moment. And begin to sense your body and begin to notice and feel your body in the moment. And you may notice that there are some thoughts and still you're thinking about something. And then simply observe your thoughts and bring yourself and bring your attention back into your body and starting to notice your breathing. Notice how you're breathing and become aware of your breath as you breathe in and as you breathe out. And as you begin to do that, already a lot of maybe fear, a lot of thoughts, busy mind, and starting to think about what am I exactly paying attention to? How should I be breathing? Should I be breathing using these muscles? Or is that not really good? Is that the wrong way of breathing? What should I be doing right now? There might be some thoughts you're thinking about. Maybe based upon something that you have been told. Maybe you have some associated stories with your breathing. As you are paying attention and notice your body and notice your breathing, there are a lot of stories and associated with your body. In that moment, you're already disconnected from your body. And you start remembering what you have been told in the past, what you remember in the past, and that already you're starting to remember that feeling through your body. And you don't have to do anything about it. Simply observe and then bring yourself back to your body and notice your breath without judging. Could you just sit with your breathing without forcing, without correcting, without trying to change anything, without imposing anything? Can you just be in your body and observe your breathing? And then begin to become aware of your body as they move. Your belly is moving, your chest is moving, your ribs are moving. And once again, you may start to think, how should they be moving? Am I doing this correctly? So drop all that thoughts and the stories and come back to your body. And now you begin to become aware that you have been imposing so much onto you. You have been carrying the past stories for so long when you don't really need to. And that really stops you and stopping you from breathing freely, moving freely. And then if you let that go and drop everything and simply let your body move, let the breath and come in and go naturally. And simply feel and notice how your body is moving. How is your rib moving? There's no right or wrong. Or you just holding your stomach muscles tight without no reason? Or you just holding your chest tight without no reason? Or you holding your spine so straight and tight for no reasons? You're simply not aware of those unconscious patterns. Then as you connect with yourself and then really listen to your body quietly and patiently, and you begin to notice that those things that you have been doing for so long. But for what? There's no reason. It's just the habits. What would happen if you drop those habits? You let that go. Just allow your body to move in a way that it wants to. And notice the quality of your breathing. And notice how your body is actually moving. Now you're becoming more aware that the body is actually moving when you're just sitting still. There's that quality of the movements, quality of the breathing that wasn't available to you before because you have been imposing onto your body without being aware. So awareness is really the first step that opens the doors to a new possibilities and a new sense of freedom. Okay, and slowly open your eyes. Notice how you're feeling right now in this moment. Notice how you're breathing. Notice how you feel in your body. There is a different quality. Okay? And this is really what I mean by connecting with your body. It is kind of strange that we have forgotten how to be in the body, how to connect with the body, and how to sense and feel and move from the inside. Something that was so innate and something that was so spontaneous when we were a child. And somehow we've lost it. A lot of us lost it. Now we're coming back to that. You've had that before. It's not something new. Just remembering the very natural, organic process that we all had, we all did many, many years ago. We're just coming back to that process once again. And this is what it really feels and to be back into your body. So tell me now, how are you feeling? What's the state of your mind? What's the state of your body? Quality of the breathing, quality of the movement. Even though we haven't really done and explored much movements, but it's more like a meditation practice, but yet it really changes your brain. It shifts how you perceive your body, how you experience your body in this moment. And I hope you found this practice enlightening, and if you are ready to embrace your journey and back to safety, freedom, and joy, I'd love to chat. And my program, Understanding How Your Body Moves, is designed to provide a clear path, community support, and a personalized guidance for transformation. And if you are interested, and let's schedule a Zoom call and to discuss how we can work together. You can click the link below and to schedule a call. The link is also in the comment below as well. And if you enjoyed today's video, and please hit the like button. And if you are new to this channel and really enjoy this video, and please subscribe and please share with your family and the friends. I do appreciate that, and leave any comments you like. So thank you for watching and really paying attention to your body, and I will see you in the next video. So bye bye.